Hello students, welcome again in new session of this C programming. Today we are going to talk about operators and expressions. So in C programming there are many operators we can use while writing programs. So operators simply we can define in this way. They are the symbols, they are the characters uh, we use in our program. Characters mean like maybe addition symbol, maybe the subtraction symbol, or the maybe the multiplication symbol like the asterisk. They all are called operators. They play a vital role while writing the programs. And some operators I have listed here, like arithmetic operators, relational operator, logical operators, assignment operator, bitwise operator, size of operator, and many others. First, let's see what is an arithmetic operator. So, arithmetic operator is that operator which is for arithmetical calculation. Arithmetical calculation means simple mathematical calculation, or we can say like addition. These are the following other types of arithmetic operator. Addition, we can write simply a plus b. Subtraction, simply we can write a minus b. Multiplication, simply we can write a, then asterisk, then b. For division we use slash. It is forward slash, not the backward slash. Simply we have to put a, then slash b. Modulus, it gives us remainder. Division we can also say we have to write a, then percentage, and then b. Increment, decrement, they are also the operators. They change the value by 1. If you use plus plus, it changes increases the value by 1. If you use minus minus, it decreases the value by 1. In detail about these all, let's see with the program. Here is the compiler. Any compiler you may use there. It is not mandatory that you must use DFG process or code blocks. So source file, you can write with me. Let's take two variables. A plus b. Just to copy and paste same line. So we have to put it here slash n. Here differences. We have to put minus. Similarly, here is product is. Here we have to put asterisk, that is for multiplication. Quotient. If we want to get remainder, then we have to use percentage. So here we can see for sum we'll get using a plus b. To find the difference we have to put a minus b, and to find the product we have to put a into b, that is asterisk. To find the quotient we have to put a slash b. Forward slash only can be used, backward slash is not applicable here. Similarly, to find the remainder we have to use a, then percentage, then b. So let's save it. skip CV extension. Let's run it. Here all the outputs they are in same line, so let's put here slash n. It would be better to print or put in different line. Okay, let's rerun the program. So here is the output. So sum is 10, obviously. The difference is a minus b, that is 3 minus 7. Product is 3 into 7, that is 21. And quotient actually when you divide a by b, so actually it would be 0.4 0.4 and something there, but we are getting a 0.00. Now what is the reason behind this? I'll justify about this one in next video, but for now let's assume that we are getting here quotient 0 and remainder is 3. We can see here remainder is 3. So when you divide a by b, since 3 is smaller than 7, so we have to put 0 in quotient part, so 7 into 0 0, and when you subtract 0 from 3 you will get 3, so the remainder is 3. So this is how we can understand about the arithmetic operator. I think that you answered about this one. If you have any questions, just put in comment box. For now, thank you, have a good day.